Asli garo autonomous district council나 생신 갔죠. 생신 갔더니 자만은 MBC 그만 그냥 나가는 미파 이쪽에 다
Minister was replying to the motion yesterday.
Niswing pasakantikon Changsatay Meghalaya News 24 channel na rumchaksua. Ang abal shrame isangma aru iyan daalni koborang. Dok Sorkari Mongolbar Salo ibaing kapabel si bunga o power distribution system ko nambadat na hajalgani ritcha bunga crore maneng kapani gemen singsandi China janapataha. Cabinet meeting o asonging on Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma adok na funds rang ko Government of India ni meter prako hajalsa ritchak tham sokpunga kai subsidy ko mangen ne paragataha. Infrastructure ni sotsku percent ni kita de Government of India aro chikung percent ni kita de adok sorkari ungen ne CM aganta pangaha.
Implemented by Government of India, Power Ministry, where revamping of the distribution systems and the distribution sector overall is going to be taken up for a period of 5 years. And the Government of India has sanctioned 3,05,984 crores for this particular project. And this will be obviously affecting all the states. In the first phase, we as a state are also proposing to take this up, and hence the cabinet today cleared the proposals, and now this proposal will be put up to Government of India Power Department. Through this, we will be getting funding from Government of India to the tune of 1,350 rupees per meter as subsidy. And this will also be supported as a 90-10 grant from Government of India. That means 90% of the infrastructure will be paid by Government of India and 10% by us for the infrastructural part. For the metering, as I was mentioning, 1,350 will be given by Government of India, and whatever is over and above that will be given to the private sector that will partner with Government of Meghalaya.
State Cabinet Mongolbar Salo NABARD Infrastructure Development Assistant NIDA ni ketade hajalsa ritchabunga crore loan na dabiani ko rachakaha. Kobra tumgaparang ni yani bidungo sungon Chief Minister Adok Sorkari ya loan ko rebaing kapa bilsi chibunga ogam na nanggen nep aganha. Aru yani interest 7.5% ni kita ungen aru market ni rate na bate na men kumia ne paragataha.
So with this NIDA fund, we will see that development and infrastructure improvement throughout the spectrum. That means from blocks to police stations to education institutions will be taken up through this particular fund. So we have put in a proposal of 1,500 crores to NABARD for this fund, and today the cabinet approved that. And now the proposals will be sent to NABARD for final approval. And
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma Mongolbar Salo adok sorkari adoko blok rangkon pangbate tharina dabiani ko nigrke chanchigen ne paragataha.
We have first going step by step, and first we have corrected that particular change that was made at that point in time. The decision that was taken earlier in the cabinet and foundation stone was laid. Block construction started, and then suddenly shifted was something that could have been avoided. It should not have been done in that manner. So that's number one. But having said that, we're not saying that the other areas don't deserve. We will examine and we will see which are the areas which require administrative, administrative blocks to come up. Because we've always maintained that taking administration closer to the people is important.
Aramrang ni kumpretengon aro makarang ni jembe e waingon Shillong Songjen ma stilrang ni jembe e akani chi Christmas ni sal sokengon stilchi phunda pe suryari gapagata Shillong Songjen ma ko gpoke ni tobe e nakataha wa sal ni na 6 degrees Celsius mangni gata thangno na chem India Meteorological Department IMD ni aganani ketade Arunachal Pradesh ni mitam bakrang Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram aro Tripura o Mongolbaroni Scrubar sal Jan December kolgruk saoni kolgruk brio onga mkharang ko chagrong na badunga ne pargataha. Olgaru Hills SSS School Teachers Association AGHSSATA Honorable Chief Minister aro Education Minister na SSS ki parang ni jabungani man kugija padur mahani bidungo philni phil August hajalgani kolgruk saoni da alona khungkhung memorandum aro petition ko naha indiba adok sorkari da alona khungkhung ba ski parang ni anthangni manna nangani na dabiani ko da alona ba sokat kuja Indaki ongengon adok niskotong Shillongo aro tura songjin mao December hajalgani kolgruk sani kolgruk bri aro kolgruk ponga bisongni dabiani kon jani gemen jinma okumu chakna ski parang chanchirmaha All Garu Hills SSS School Teachers Association AGHSSATA West Garu Hills Turani Deputy Commissioner ko Association ni chanchigaman biapo khana onggija dingthango khachina unani na su onggija ni ko paragataha adok sorkari SSS ki parang ni dabiani ko unaman jaode ski parang bisong ni dabia ko man kujana khungkhung okumu chakna bagong aigen ne paragataha Meghalaya aro Assam ni Chief Minister Budpar Salo Guwahati grongen ba damdok simari ongengpa Meligirkijani mamla ko January chibunga naskhang namatna khumungha.
Good meeting, both the chief ministers. They already taken a decision, and the decision is on or before 15th of January, we are going to sit down again, maybe another 2 times. Then on or before 15th of January, we are going to resolve the issues. And the target is on or before 31st of this December, both the regional committees from Assam as well as from Meghalaya, they need to submit a report to the respective Honorable Chief Minister, and thereafter, again, as I said you, the in-house meeting will again take place, and once that is done, then on the 15th, we put the target that on or before 15th of January, both the Chief Ministers will take a final call or a final decision.
Taal ni koborang di yarangsan, ya koborang ni gaman nambate masinas kenchimode Meghalaya News 24.com ni ko poray naman gen. Sakantian simsake dungbo, ongkato di maksrangko ganjrengbo aro sorkari ni don gaman niyam ko jarekpo plakon ni sohani na matela.